Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the former volume is not mounted error when attempting to download something and your drive letter no longer exists. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in disk management. Best match should come back with create and format hard disk partitions. Go ahead and left click on that. Locate whatever disk is having the issues and you want to right click on it and then select change drive letter and paths. At this point you can select the change button and change it to a different drive letter that is not being used. Then select OK. So some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? The answer is yes. And now I would attempt to reinitiate the download and direct it over to this new drive letter, and hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.